Did you think email was dead? Well, maybe in people's personal lives, it kind of is. What used to be sent over email is now shared via TikTok or Instagram. But in the business world, not only is email alive, it is more necessary than ever. Major companies continue to use email to send newsletters, attract buyers, and retain customers. But their strategies have evolved, shifted, and turned completely around to make email marketing truly effective. The problem is that most small and medium-sized businesses are still using the same techniques from 2012. Endless emails, impersonal subject lines, designs that look like they were made in Excel. And the same cliches keep repeating over and over again. Email doesn't work anymore. Nobody opens newsletters. This method doesn't convert. But the problem isn't the channel, it's how you're using it. In 2025, old marketing methods no longer work. And here are the key trends top companies use to connect with customers today. Number 1, get creative with interactive emails. When we think of an email, we usually picture plain text. But that's so last century. And we're not just talking about adding images or videos. We're talking about interactive emails designed to get the reader to engage directly with your product or service. Polls, quizzes, sliders, mini games, all of these can be embedded in a single email using modern marketing platforms. And what do you get in return? Easy. You turn the reader into an active participant. No one enjoys reading passively, but when the experience feels like a game, everything changes. A quick example, do you sell clothing? Try sending an email where the user can choose their style using an interactive quiz. Then, based on their answer, send them personalized product recommendations. Number 2, personalize your campaigns using artificial intelligence. AI has revolutionized everything from design to science, and marketing is no exception. Today, you can analyze customer behavior in real time, understand their interests, and even adapt your messaging tone to suit them best. That's why it's best to focus on personalizing each message with AI. According to Litmus, personalized emails get 58% more clicks, so don't miss the chance to make a real difference. Number 3, get straight to the point with minimalist designs that grab attention. Email marketing is no longer just about looking nice. It's about guiding attention. And in 2025, that means you have just a fraction of a second to capture interest. Use that time wisely by eliminating distractions and focusing on one clear message. Strong typography, a minimalist layout, and a single focused idea will always outperform long-winded paragraphs no one wants to read. Number 4, make your emails accessible for everyone. One thing many small businesses overlook when building emails is accessibility. Yet, more and more companies are starting to understand its importance. It's not just about making your emails visually appealing, it's about making them accessible to everyone. 15% of the global population lives with some form of disability. If your emails aren't designed with accessibility in mind, you're not only losing potential customers, you're also damaging your brand reputation. Simple actions like using proper color contrast, adding alt text to images, and structuring headings clearly can make a huge difference. Number 5, shift to first-party data. Goodbye cookies. Hello, real relationships. With third-party cookies gradually disappearing, the data you collect directly has become gold. These days, you can't rely on external data. You need to get to know your audience yourself. Use your campaigns to run smart sign-up forms, allow users to edit their content preferences, and send post-purchase surveys. This way, you gather first-hand information that you can use to fine-tune your campaigns. Okay, all of this sounds great, but now comes the real question. How can you apply these tips without spending all of your company time on email marketing? To help you improve your strategy gradually, here are a few simple steps to start implementing these trends. Step 1, start with a basic interaction. You don't need to turn your email into a full interactive website on day 1. Just add one feature that brings your email to life. It can be something as simple as a satisfaction survey after a purchase, a feedback button, or a small image slider. Whatever you choose, it will already be a big step up from your old emails. Step 2, try AI-powered segmentation. Basic segmentation by name or location is no longer enough. You need to think about real behavior. Use AI tools connected to your database to identify habits or patterns. Define customer personas. and create customized emails for each segment using smart platforms. If you never test it, you'll never know how far it can take you. Step 3. Build a design aligned with your brand. If you haven't already, start with the most essential element, a design that reflects what your brand wants to communicate. Use the tips we shared earlier, like a minimalist approach, to build a visual language that supports all your content across campaigns. Step 4. Be transparent with your data policy. Before you move forward, make sure your systems are optimized to collect as much valuable customer data as possible. But do it the right way. Don't trick users or scrape data from unreliable sources. Be upfront about what you need and why. Integrate forms or quick questions in your emails that build trust and make users feel safe to share information. Here are some rapid-fire do's and don'ts when getting started. What should you avoid? Using outdated templates that don't display well on mobile. Overloading your emails with interactions that slow down loading time. Ignoring accessibility and usability best practices. Buying email lists or contacting users without permission. Filling your emails with complex jargon or too many competing ideas. And what should you do instead? Test your emails on different devices before sending them. Keep your contact list clean and updated. Personalize your content using a clear, minimalist design. Track your metrics and use AI tools to optimize performance. Because it might not feel like it, email isn't dead. It has evolved into a richer, smarter, and more powerful medium. Today, for small and medium-sized businesses, email remains one of the most effective tools to build loyalty and drive conversions. The key is understanding that you can't just send emails for the sake of sending them. Be unique. Make your customers see your emails as something valuable, not just another piece of spam. Stay up to date with the latest email marketing trends by visiting Softonic for Business.